Do you want to know how you can log into your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Temu account. First of all, you must open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Temu. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see that this is the official page of Temu where you can shop like a billionaire. In order for you to sign into your account, firstly, you should have an account for yourself. Now, you can see the sign in option over here. Go ahead and click sign in/register and you can see that your account is already here. But if you want to sign in using another account, click sign in and you can see you can log in using your email address or phone number or your Google account, Facebook account or Apple ID. So go ahead and click on your Google account, click on your Google account once again and click continue to sign into Temu. This way you can successfully sign into your Temu account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.